PDK is introducing a newly revamped range test software. Gone are the days of downloading software to your PC. Instead, you can now perform a WiMAC range test from any Chromium-based browser. Setup is easy. Begin by purchasing a range test kit from PDK's team. This will include a coordinator, which will act as an artificial cloud node. It will also include a repeater, used to determine signal strength from the cloud node to the controller. Plug the coordinator into your computer using the included cabling. This will power the device on and establish a USB connection to the computer. Go to your favorite Chromium browser and navigate to wimac-tool.pdk.io. Note that there are two buttons, Connect and Read. Begin by selecting Connect and wait for the system to populate the page with the coordinator's PAN ID, identifier, and MAC address. At this point, bring the repeater online by plugging it into the included battery pack. Once powered up, allow 10 to 20 seconds for the repeater to connect to the coordinator and use the Read button to populate the repeater's MAC address. Update the status from Pending to Ready. Select Start Test under the Range Testing tab. Once initiated, simply put the repeater where you intend to put the cloud node and take your laptop with you to the intended location for your controller. You will continue to see live results of the signal strength for the duration of the test until the Stop Test button is pressed. You can view the logs of your session at the bottom of the page under the Logs tab if necessary. Signal strength will be denoted by a color sequence and radio signal strength number. For general purposes, anything green or yellow is acceptable, and anything red is unacceptable. That's all there is to it. The updated range test process reflects PDK's commitment to simplicity and user-friendliness. If you have any questions, reach out to your sales representative at sales@prodatakey.com or 801-317-8802.